Have you ever found yourself drawn to someone, heart pounding every time they walk by, wondering how to make them feel the same way? Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and nerve-wracking experiences in life. How to get your crush to like you back. Imagine if that special person you can't stop thinking about started to feel the same way. What if you could naturally attract them, be your authentic self, and have the spark of a real connection? Stay tuned as we break down a few simple yet powerful steps that can help you get your crush's attention, increase their attraction to you, and maybe even build something that lasts. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful and want more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it resonated with you, and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. 1. Be yourself. Let's start with the foundation. Be yourself. Now, I know this might sound like a cliche, but being yourself truly is the most attractive quality. Imagine you're trying to impress someone by acting like someone you're not. It may work in the short term, but it'll never lead to a deep, genuine connection. When you're authentic, you exude a confidence that others find magnetic. So, don't be afraid to show the real you. If you're passionate about something, talk about it with excitement. Let them see who you truly are, your hobbies, your quirks, your ambitions. Authenticity is rare and it shines brightly, especially in a world full of filters and facades. Now picture this. You're talking to your crush, genuinely excited about something you love. Your eyes light up, your words flow freely, and that genuine energy makes you instantly more interesting and memorable. Being yourself allows them to see the real you, and if they like you for who you truly are, it's going to feel much more fulfilling. 2. Show interest in them. The second step in attracting your crush is to show genuine interest in them. Think about it. How often do you remember the people who take the time to ask about you, make them feel seen and appreciated? Listen to their stories, ask thoughtful questions, and give them space to talk about the things they're passionate about. And most importantly, be present. When you're having a conversation with them, put away your phone, maintain eye contact, and show that you're invested in what they're saying. Showing interest isn't just about asking questions, it's also about noticing the little things. Did they recently start a new hobby? Remember it and bring it up next time you see them. People love to feel remembered and valued. By paying attention to these details, you're showing that they're important to you. This thoughtful approach builds a foundation of trust and makes them feel special. And that's one of the strongest ways to attract someone. 3. Be complimentary. Who doesn't love a good compliment? But here's the thing. Make your compliments genuine and specific. Instead of saying, "You look nice," try something like, "That color really brings out your eyes," or, "You have a really unique style. I admire how confident you are with it." Notice qualities that go beyond the surface and make them feel appreciated. Compliments that are sincere, thoughtful, and unique can make a lasting impact. Giving compliments is about celebrating them, and when they feel appreciated, they'll naturally start associating those positive feelings with you. Compliments are also a subtle way to show your attraction without coming on too strong. Imagine that you notice and value qualities in them that others might overlook. This can make them feel seen in a new and profound way. Just remember, balance is key. Compliment them, but don't overdo it. Too many compliments can sometimes come across as insincere, so let each one be meaningful. 4. Make them laugh. Laughter is the quickest way to connect with someone. There's something magical about sharing a laugh with another person. It creates a bond, a shared moment that's just between you two. So be lighthearted and don't be afraid to show your sense of humor. Don't worry about having perfect jokes. Sometimes the funniest moments come from just being yourself, even if it means being a little goofy or playful. Making them laugh shows you don't take yourself too seriously and that you can enjoy the lighter side of life. People are naturally drawn to others who make them feel good, and laughter is one of the best ways to lift someone's spirits. You don't need to become a stand-up comedian. Just find moments to share a laugh, even about the simplest things. Remember, humor is attractive because it shows confidence and warmth, qualities that your crush will find hard to resist. 5. Flirt with them. Flirting is all about creating a spark, a playful, exciting energy between the two of you. But the key here is subtlety. Think of flirting as a way to communicate interest without saying it directly. Use eye contact, subtle touches, and friendly teasing to show you're interested. For instance, if you're sitting next to each other, let your knee or shoulder brush theirs just slightly, or hold eye contact a second longer than usual. These small actions create a unique, charged energy that they'll notice. Flirting doesn't need to be over the top or scripted. It should feel natural. You might make a playful comment or compliment them in a slightly teasing way. The goal is to create a fun, relaxed atmosphere where they feel comfortable and intrigued. Keep it light and friendly. The key to good flirting is that it leaves them wondering and wanting more. Learn how to attract your crush. Now that we've covered some foundational tips, let's take things up a notch. It's time to understand what makes them tick. If you want to attract your crush on a deeper level, understanding their likes and personality is essential. Take the time to figure out what they're passionate about, what makes them laugh, or what they find intriguing. Tailor your interactions around these observations, and you'll find it's easier to connect and keep their attention. For instance, if you know they're into art, mention an art exhibit you recently heard about or suggest checking it out together. If they're into a particular type of music, listen to a few songs and share your thoughts with them. This effort shows that you're not only interested in them, but also willing to explore their interests. Build a connection. Building a connection with your crush means sharing a balance of lighthearted and meaningful moments. Spend time with them, either in group settings or, when possible, one-on-one. Share stories, open up about your life, and invite them to do the same. When they see you as someone who understands and cares about them, it creates a lasting bond that goes beyond surface attraction. Another way to build a connection is through shared experiences. Go on little adventures, try new things together, or even find something you both want to learn. Whether it's trying a new restaurant, hiking, or attempting to learn a new skill, shared experiences deepen your bond and give you something to talk about. Get your crush to like you more. Once you've established a connection, it's time to nurture it. Spend time together and build on what you've created. Remember, consistency is key. Showing up for them and being there when they need it strengthens the bond and makes them feel valued. Compliment them when they achieve something, make them laugh during stressful times, and be that positive presence in their life. When you show genuine interest in their happiness and success, you become more than just a crush. You become someone they can rely on. By being supportive, kind, and fun to be around, you'll find they're naturally drawn to you and want to spend more time with you. The more memories you build, the more they'll associate good feelings with you. Make your crush fall in love with you. If things have reached this point, it means you're already someone special to them. Now, focus on showing love, care, and affection in a way that feels natural. Being supportive during tough times, celebrating their victories, and being there for the little moments in between creates a deep and lasting impression. Making someone feel truly valued and loved takes patience and understanding. Show them you appreciate their uniqueness, be their confidant, and let them know that they're loved just as they are. Simple acts like a thoughtful message, helping them with something they're struggling with, or just spending quality time together are often what lead to a deep, meaningful connection. Get the love of your life. Finally, if the journey with your crush develops into something real and strong, focus on building a loving and balanced relationship. In a healthy relationship, both partners feel loved, valued, and fulfilled. Find ways to grow together, support each other's goals, and make space for happiness in each other's lives. When both people in a relationship are happy and feel loved, they naturally want to spend their lives together. Building a lasting relationship is about finding someone who complements you, shares your values, and brings out the best in you. This process takes time, patience, and genuine love. When you find that connection, cherish it and continue to nurture it. Remember, attracting your crush and building a meaningful relationship is all about being authentic, showing interest, and creating a bond that goes beyond the surface. So take these tips and start applying them, one step at a time. Who knows? You might just find that special person noticing you in a new way. Thanks for watching.